Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and my today's topic is NSAttributed NSAttributedString is a powerful class in UIKit that allow us to apply different font, color and style to a UI label. Let's get started. Declare a regular attribute with font size 19. Declare a bold and underline attribute with font size 19 and underline attribute. Declare two strings with first name and last name. Declare a third string which is NSmutable string. Then apply first regular attribute to first name and we have a first name attribute string. Apply bold and underline attribute to last name and we have last name attributed string. Append these two strings to our declared string. Now we have a attributed string which have first name and last name with the attributes assigned above. Now finally assign this attributed string to the label and make sure here we have to define attributed string, attributed text rather than text. Let's see the result. Okay, now our first name is system font with 19 pixel and then is bold system font and the underline attribute. Let's change something in this foreground color and let's make it foreground color dot red maybe. Color dot red. Let's see. Great, it's working. Thanks. Happy learning.